Abashayeli bemaloli bathi sebayakujabulela ukuthi isimo sesishintshile la emnceleni welibombo njengoba sebakhona kuhamba manje kwatise ukuthi phela labanye sebahleli cishe emalanga lasihlanu bangakhoni ukuhamba la emgwaqweni iN4 kude bachubeke bayodeliver event laseMozambique. Athi sikhulume nalabanye bashayeli balamaloli lamakhulu labalibangise khona eMozambique. Siyabonga isikhathi sakho bhuti. Nawungasichazela ukuthi nine niphatheke kanjani ngalokho lokwendekile ukuthi nihlale la solo ningakhona ekuhamba.
The situation is very bad. Because since last week Saturday, we are on the queue until now. So at least we are hoping maybe we're gonna manage to cross and we have to find a better place to sleep. We are not sure what's gonna happen when you cross there. Yeah.
Indzaba yekuphepha ngaba nisabe njengoba phela kuthiwa simo sisashubile event laseMozambique. Anisabe ukuthi bangahle banilimade le eMozambique.
Siyasaba vele. Because anything gonna change anytime, any minute in Mozambique. So we don't have that guarantee that when you are crossing there, we're gonna be safe or what, because anything is gonna happen in Mozambique.
Alright, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Loyo ngilomunye wabashayeli labalibangise khona event laseMozambique ukuthi nabo bese bahleli isikhathi lesithe bazama ukuthi bawele kodwa ke nanoma basaba umsebenzi ngumsebenzi kufuna baqhubeke bawele bayodeliver event laseMozambique. Etindzabeni tethu ku Channel 163 lotilethelwa iNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela eKomatipoort eMpumalanga.